Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to add Godaddy SSL certificate to IIS. Let's begin. Now, once you're ready, log into your Godaddy account. And from here, this is one of the best way to insert manually an SSL certificate into the IIS server. All you're gonna do is from here, Godaddy can help protect your site and all of these stuff. And then you need to go to your domain section. Now here's how to manually install an SSL certificate on the IIS 10 server. Right now here on GoDaddy, all you're gonna do is go to the website that you're planning to work on. And of course you need to you have an option like an overview right here, DNS products, and all you're gonna do for the SSL certificate, click on manage. Now once you are here, all you're gonna do is click on the start menu and then click run. And obviously what will happen is in the main panel of the IIS, you can simply go on and under the IIS section, double click the server certificates, and under actions panel on the right, click complete certificate request. And on the new window, click on to browse and find your previously uploaded primary certificate file and click open. Okay, because from here my website is already secured, so I don't have to do anything about it. But if in your case that's gonna be that situation, you might want to copy again the certificate files into the server. And if you happen to encounter any problems, as you can see, there's an option for down here, the contact us button. Click on that, and obviously from here, Godaddy will be more than glad to assist you in helping you to add an SSL certificate to IIS. That's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you in the next video.